Hey everybody, welcome back into the Gaming Box. Today I want to preface this video a little bit just saying that I am not an audiophile or an audio expert, but I am just somebody who really likes headphones and somebody who just wanted to check this out. This thing has been hyped up an insane amount. The Nothing Ear Ones, created by the CEO, or you could say the founder of OnePlus. OnePlus is a Chinese company that makes really sweet phones. The OnePlus phones I've admired for quite a long time, and they're pretty cool. But the CEO went on to make his own company called Nothing, and this is it. I am 3 months late on the review period, but as always, that's just the gist around here, so that's what's going on. So yeah, these are the Nothing Ear Ones. They look remarkably similar to Pros, but you know, that's what we're gonna find out today. I don't have AirPod Pros with me. I have AirPods. My sister does. This video is less of a comparison and more of just a brief looking at the Nothing Ear One, and we'll find out what it is here in a second. I've been waiting to get this product for like maybe since July. It's dropped, and every time it's dropped, I've missed the buying time. And right now on their website, the website will be in the description below. It's only available on their website. It is available for all time, so no more limited drops. It is here to stay. So if you guys like this video, you can hit that like button. The dislike button doesn't work now apparently, which is, I mean, it's weird. That's besides the point. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened. So right now it retails for, oh wait, there's a peel. Okay, this is gonna be cool. Ready? Ready? What have I done? What have I, oh no, oh my gosh, I've literally ruined it. No, okay, wait, alright. Alright, well, that was an absolute atrocity, if I do say so myself. Besides the atrocity that just happened, I just missed the trash can. These things retail for $100 US. $100 can get you a lot, but it can also get you these. A lot of earbuds do cost over 100, so if you think that's a lot, it really isn't, especially for the features it does have. Once again, this is not a review. I'm just blabbering on and on. Oh wait, this is an unboxing. I gotta read. All right, the back, it says Nothing Ear One. This is their first product. The right one, I think that's the right earbud. Yeah, that's the right earbud. It has a little red dot on it, kind of signifying what the right earbud is, which is kind of cool, I guess. But I don't really get it. It's a minimalist design, and as you see on the box, it is a little bit transparent. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened. Nothing Ear One True Wireless In-Ear Headphones, model B181. Okay, that's kind of cool. That is a new one. That really is a new, that's a new take on it. All right, that's pretty cool. So it gives you a little cap right there. I did not need this. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's pretty much just like a chrome. It's not actually chrome, but it looks like chrome, you know, kind of transparent. And there they are. They're a lot smaller than I thought they would be. To be honest with you, I mean, obviously they're not gonna be this big. That's ridiculous. But these are super small. I mean, no, I wouldn't argue that. I don't know. Let's go ahead and get these out of the way. Box, paperwork. Cool unboxing, I have to say. That was pretty sick. That's the paperwork. It's just straight up black paperwork. That's cool. A little bit, it pretty much just follows in with this design idea of just minimalism and this really cool text, kind of. The text is like man, I don't know, like some font. Earplugs, left ones. Oh, this is SL. I don't know what that is. Bruh. Those are the earplugs for the right and the left, I'm guessing. And then there's a braided cable, which is kind of weird for a product like this. Braided cable, but with a gel enclosure. So it's like braided, but then it's got like a little bit of a gel film on the exterior. And then we've got the Type-C to Type-A, as expected. But it is a nice cable for what it is. A really nice cable, which is pretty sweet. As you can see right there, pretty sweet cable. Alright, then these ear tips, we'll have to see how it fits in my ear when we get to that. So here is the case. it looks different. I mean, this, okay, you know me. I own a Galaxy Z Fold 2 and a ZenBook Duo. I like tech that turns heads, so it's not much of a surprise that I bought this. And this thing definitely could turn some heads, because it is definitely bigger than a basic, your basic AirPods case. It is transparent. The plastic is exactly what I would have thought. It is just plastic, you know. So here's another little tab. I think they added in as many tabs as they could, too. Oh, okay. So it's got a magnetic case. So I mean, the plastic. Okay, the plastic kind of scares me a little bit. I feel like one drop of this on like concrete, it's a goner, or it's got some pretty bad scuff marks on it. But the hinge is metal, which is pretty nice. Metal hinge. And then I did see in the reviews that reviewers were saying that this little hole, the little divot in the case, was like a fidget toy, but that's ridiculous. It's nothing like it. That's dumb. Anyways, it just magnetically clasps to the case. The case is pretty cool. Worries me a little bit, but it's still pretty original, and that's what we're going for here, right? So, without connecting to my phone yet, we've got the little LED indicator that tells us, what does it tell us? Alright, that goes in snug like that. Alright. They're both green, so they're both charged, I'm guessing. It is a pretty cool case. Ear case. It says on the inside, ear case. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna get them both in. I got both of them in. Okay. I don't think they're doing... Oh. Hello? Hello? Don't worry, nothing's happening. I'm just hearing a little bleep every now and again. It's not repetitive, it's just weird. It's random. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? Hello, hello, hello. It's already getting gross. Alright. Comfort-wise, I think I can get used to them. I kind of want to connect it to my phone, so, let's go ahead and do that. The initial setup was very Apple-esque. I mean, you first download the app, and then right as you're getting into your music, it suddenly appears on the phone. You click connect, and then it brings you right back to the app instantaneously. I have nothing else to really say about the connectivity. It was just connected, and then I could listen to music. One small issue I found within days of use was the scratches. Now, it's not a long-term issue, but it really is distracting from the design. Now, it is no AirPods case, but it certainly is pocketable. Not in the small pocket that Linus usually has it in, but definitely in the big one. Now, the small and large silicone tips, I haven't figured out yet. I still have a little bit of testing to do to see which one works for me. The tips are comfortable, but obviously not as comfortable as over-ear headphones. Trying out these earbuds have really reminded me why I didn't have them in the first place. They're just not as comfortable as over-ear headphones and what I'm used to. But that's alright, that's not what they're meant to be. I'd much rather wear these compact earbuds in public, especially for the fact that they will pause when you take them out, and play again when you put them back in. If for some ridiculous reason they're at 100% volume when you first put them in, there's actually a gesture to put the volume up and down on the side of the earbuds. When it comes to gestures, we have the double tap, the triple tap, and the malfunctioning long press. Now, the long press is supposed to take you out of noise canceling mode and into transparency mode, or vice versa. The problem is, I don't always know what mode it's in, or if it's done anything. With its shiny and slippery looking case, it really isn't, because of that sweet divot right in the case. Would you look at that? That's what I call a drop test.
Yeah, so just as I'm recording this, the black ones come out. And they're not available yet. They are available on the 13th of December, and you have to sign up to be notified when they're available. I think it's going to be one of those cases where they drop, and then they sell out. They drop, and then they sell out. Limited quantity, and then they're probably going to go on full sale probably a few months after it releases like that. Just like the white ones right here. Now, The one thing I usually neglect in any type of review is usually the most important thing, the thing that you've come to see. For this right here, it is the audio quality. Now, the sound and the tuning has been done by Teenage Engineering. Now, I've never heard of them, but I'm guessing they're pretty big if they're working on this type of a project. But that's pretty much it. If that means anything to you, Teenage Engineering, they tune these earbuds right here. The sound I like it. It's actually my kind of equalization, as in like the bass is perfect. The highs can be a little bit like tingy sometimes if you're playing like some rap music or whatnot. But like when there's bass, you can feel the bass. Like there's some thump to these little guys, and it's pretty nice. But the sound itself, like the quality, the crispness. Now, as I told you, I'm not an audiophile, but it's not. It's lackluster. Yeah, there's definitely space to improve. But obviously these are a first generation, so I think they do pretty freaking well for that alone. These are $100. The AirPod Pros can range from $150 to $200. And these still have noise canceling, unlike the $120, maybe they'll drop down to $100 sometimes, original AirPods, and those don't even have noise canceling, or the exchangeable tips, or the transparent design, or the wireless charging case, unless you buy it from Apple. So what I'm saying is that don't buy the AirPods, buy these. If you're gonna go with the Pros, go with the Pros. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, that's my review of the Nothing Ear 1. Now, I said this wasn't going to be a review, but I got really excited about the product, and I had a lot of things to say about it. So I hope you guys stick through the whole video. If you guys want to check this thing out, there is no Amazon affiliate link, but there are links in the description to get to this website right here. If you want to buy the white one, the black one will be out sometime this month. Thank you all for watching. If you stuck through the entire thing, thank you so much. If you want to hit that like button, that'd be awesome. If you can subscribe, that'd be even better. I mean, subscribing is free. And you can unsubscribe at any moment you like. If you say, oh, this Ricardo guy is really stupid, I don't like his content, unsubscribe at any time. Literally, it's that easy. Oh, and don't forget the notification bell. That is really important. Nowadays, the YouTube is really weird and really wonky. It doesn't really want to show you everything from all your favorite creators, like myself. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next